So, are you ready to learn how to breathe? Hello everyone, I am Carla from Intuitive Spirit Healing Arts. I'm a licensed massage therapist and a certified yoga instructor. And today, we are going to learn how to breathe. Pelvis forward so that you can grow out of your spine. Crown of the head reaching up towards the sky. I always love that part. This is just a quick tutorial that is yoga based. But the beauty of it is that it can be used everywhere, all the time. We have adopted this stressful lifestyle. We've adopted this hurry, hurry, get, and our bodies naturally have gotten off rhythm and out of sync with the natural way of breathing to bring back rejuvenation, health, and healing. You could do this anywhere at any time, especially when you're really stressed out, or if you just want to expand your breathing capacity and really amplify your health. And if you're healing from anything, this is the way to do it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because we don't want you to miss out on anything, and pass the word around. And we will see you next time. Jai.